Are you looking for the best car ramps for home garage in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car ramps for home garage that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ironton 12000-LB GVW Polycar Ramp Set. The Ironton 12000-LB GVW Polycar Ramp Set delivers solid performance for home mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. These ramps offer an impressive 12,000 pound total capacity, making them suitable for trucks, SUVs, and most passenger vehicles. The high-impact poly construction stands out as a major advantage. Unlike metal ramps, these won't rust or corrode, ensuring longevity even in humid garage environments. At 20.6 pounds for the pair, they're surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver into position. Safety features are well implemented. The non-skid tread pattern provides excellent tire traction, while rubber feet prevent the ramps from sliding during use. The 35.5-inch length offers a gradual incline, making it comfortable to drive up without scraping low-clearance vehicles. The 12-inch width accommodates standard tire sizes without issue, and the 8.5-inch height provides adequate clearance for routine maintenance tasks like oil changes and undercarriage inspections. However, they're not foldable, which may be a storage consideration for smaller garages. Overall, the Ironton ramp set offers excellent value, combining durability, safety, and functionality at a reasonable price point. For anyone seeking reliable, corrosion-proof ramps for regular vehicle maintenance, these are a worthwhile investment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Black Widow plastic car service ramps. The Ironton 12000-LB GVW Polycar Ramp Set is an excellent choice for home garage use. With a robust 12,000 pound capacity per pair, these ramps handle everything from sedans to heavy-duty trucks with confidence. The corrosion-resistant poly construction is a standout feature, eliminating rust concerns that plague traditional metal ramps. Despite their durability, they weigh just 20.6 pounds, making setup and storage effortless. Safety is prioritized with a non-skid tread pattern that grips tires securely and prevents vehicle shifting during maintenance. Rubber feet add stability by anchoring the ramps firmly to your garage floor. At 35.5 inches long and 8.5 inches high, these ramps provide a gentle incline suitable for low-clearance vehicles. The 12-inch width accommodates standard tires comfortably. While not foldable, their compact footprint stores easily. For DIY ears seeking dependable, weather-resistant ramps for oil changes and routine maintenance, the Ironton set delivers outstanding performance and value. At number 3, we have the MaxxHaul 50947 Lift Stackable Vehicle Car Ramp. The MaxxHaul 50947 stands out with its innovative stackable design, making it a space-saving solution for home garages. With a 500 pound capacity per pair, these ramps confidently support most cars, trucks, and SUVs for routine maintenance tasks. The rugged polypropylene construction ensures long-lasting durability while remaining lightweight enough for easy handling. Built-in side handles are a thoughtful addition, enhancing portability and making setup remarkably convenient. The ribbed platform surface delivers excellent traction, keeping vehicles secure during use. At 35.63 inches long with a 6.7-inch lift height, these ramps provide sufficient clearance for oil changes and undercarriage work. The patented stackable feature is the real game changer, allowing compact storage when not in use, perfect for garages with limited space. The 12-inch width accommodates standard tires comfortably. For DIY mechanics seeking durable, portable, and space-efficient ramps, the MaxxHaul 50947 offers exceptional functionality and innovative design at a competitive price point. At number 2, we have the MaxxHaul 505-156.25 Lift Car Ramps. The MaxxHaul 50515 delivers reliable performance for home automotive maintenance, with its solid 500 pound capacity per pair. These ramps provide a practical 6.25-inch lift height, offering adequate clearance for oil changes and basic undercarriage inspections. The heavy-duty plastic construction ensures durability without the weight penalty of metal alternatives. At 20.1 pounds for the pair, they're easy to position and store when not in use. Safety features are well executed, with rubber stops on the base preventing unwanted movement during use. The deep grooved surface and ridged platform work together to provide excellent tire traction and stable placement, minimizing the risk of slippage. Measuring 35.5 inches long and 12 inches wide, these ramps accommodate most standard vehicles comfortably. The 8.25-inch height profile allows for a gradual incline. For budget-conscious DIY-ers seeking dependable ramps for routine maintenance tasks, the MaxxHaul 50515 offers solid construction, essential safety features, and straightforward functionality at an attractive price point. And finally, at number 1, we have the FloTool 11909 ABMI RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair. The FloTool RhinoRamp stands out with its thoughtful engineering designed specifically for low-clearance vehicles. The 17-degree incline provides a gentler approach angle, making it easier to drive up without scraping bumpers or undercarriages, a common frustration with steeper ramps. With a 12,000-pound GVW capacity, these ramps confidently support trucks, SUVs, and passenger vehicles. The extra-wide design accommodates tires up to 9 inches wide, ensuring compatibility with most modern vehicles. The CoreTrack non-skid base is a standout safety feature, effectively preventing ramp slippage during use. This stability provides peace of mind when working underneath your vehicle. The portable yet rugged construction balances durability with easy handling, making setup and storage hassle-free. The structural design maximizes both strength and compact storage capability. For DIY mechanics dealing with low-clearance vehicles or seeking reliable performance for oil changes and routine maintenance, the RhinoRamp delivers exceptional usability, innovative design, and solid value.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.